I've been coming to Foothills Pediatric Dentistry for about 7.5 years. We had just moved to Lafayette, and my son fell in the bathtub and broke his tooth. And we actually found them in the Yellow Pages, and it was a great find. Both of my younger two have had cavities, and it was a really pleasant experience for both of them. They love coming to the dentist. There wasn't a lot of pain or crying or anything like that. The front office treats me like family. They remember my name, they remember all of my children's names. It's a very close-knit community feel to the practice, and I really enjoy that.
We've been coming to Foothills Pediatric Dentistry for about 7 years now. We had a horrible experience with a family dentist, and I was recommended the following day to Foothills Pediatric Dentistry, which we made an appointment and was seen right away, and it was a great experience. My son wasn't upset anymore. The difference between a pediatric dentist versus a family dentist is I think pediatric dentistry is more focused towards the children. They have an understanding of the children and how they react to certain situations in order for them to feel comfortable and enjoy going to the dentist. Because if you take them to a family dentist, it can be very traumatic for them at such a young age.
What I particularly liked about coming to Foothills was being allowed to be side by side next to my boys during their first appointment. It put them at ease, it put me at ease, and every visit thereafter, they were excited to come to the dentist's office. My kids love Dr. Christensen, and the prize wall is a great incentive for being a good patient. They love getting a new toothbrush, they love getting their own bag of toothpaste and dental floss, and the kind of video games that we don't have at home. They get to play that before their appointment, so they hope they're almost called in last so they can be in the waiting room a little longer.
I feel like Foothills really caters to the kids, and it's very kid-friendly, very awesome kid atmosphere, video games to play in the waiting room. Wait's never that long, which is nice. I did have an incident where we had an emergency need for a dentist over the weekend, and Dr. Christensen went out of his way on his day off on a Saturday to bring my kid down to the office and give him an x-ray and take care of our emergency. And I think that was just outstanding that they'd go out of their way to do that on the weekend.
The environment is very kid-friendly, and of course getting the toys at the end was something to look forward to. And then I think it progressed to the video games to play while you wait for your appointments, and the return to the video games maybe after the appointment if it went well. Still the toys a little bit. There was some older age toys that they would look forward to, and I would say at the end it's just comfort, and they know lack of pain. Like they hear their friends' stories about kids going to the dentist that have a bad experience, not comfortable, are in some type of pain. So, and they've never had, like I said, any bad experiences there, so that's why they would want to keep going. I know at 15 and 14 they're going to have to leave soon, but I think I'll have to push them out. They might have to be asked to leave.